Hey everyone, today we've got a Moen kitchen faucet. This one is called the Russo, and we're going to be changing the cartridge, which is Moen part number 1255. Before starting this job, make sure you turn the water off to the faucet. If you have shutoffs below, that's great, go ahead and shut those off. I don't, so I had to turn the water off to the whole house. We're going to start by removing the handle with the included 3 30-seconds Allen key. With the water confirmed to be shut off, you can go ahead with the Allen key. Lift the handle off. If it's scaly in there or dirty, now's a good time to clean it. Next, we're going to take a pick tool and we're going to lift this trim ring out. Be sure to clean this too. The actual size of this nut is 13/16. I don't keep a lot of fractional sockets, but I do have one of those. If you don't, you can use a 21, but I've got 13/16 here. I don't have a deep one, which would have been perfect. So what we'll do, just set it up like that. I don't have it all the way in the socket, but that's okay. I'm going to hold this here to keep it from possibly turning. You can go ahead and toss that because you get a new one with the kit. Now this should lift right out. Starting to move here. Let's take the time to clean up a bit in there. You can see the 3 black lines there. It's only going to go in like that. Let's take the new nut. Directions say to get it hand tight and then a 1/4 turn. They gave us a new set screw as well. let's get it started. Take a cap. Let's go turn the water on. Much better. Thanks for watching. That's how you change your Moen 1255 cartridge in a kitchen faucet.